Obtaining your military service verification records, vital for job applications, government benefits, or personal documents, is made easy with the eBenefits portal. Curious about what eBenefits is? It's a joint VA-DoD web portal that provides resources and self-service capabilities to veteran service members and their families. To gain access, simply go to ebenefits.va.gov and log in or register if you're a new user. Once you're logged in, proceed to your dashboard. There, you'll find a section titled Manage Benefits or Document and Records. Click on this to locate the Military Personnel File or Service Verification. In this section, you're able to request or download your military service verification records by following the guidelines provided. After submitting the necessary information, you can send your request. Depending on the system, it may provide an instant download or inform about mail delivery. Don't forget to regularly update your information in your eBenefits profile, and always log out after each use to safeguard your personal information. Using eBenefits to navigate your military service verification records is a simple, secure process designed for all veterans. These records, a testament to your service and sacrifice, should be easily reachable. This guide is here to guarantee just that.